is what I love about being retired. It is 9:04. Most people are out fighting traffic, trying to get to work, burning all this expensive gas now. I have the option of going outside in the yard to clean up. So that's exactly what I am going to do. I actually plan on being out there all day because there's a lot of stuff that I have to get done. All of my plants are just about dead. I gotta dig them out, all that other kind of stuff. And it's no time like the present, right? So I wanted to get the roof of my house washed, but for the amount of money that it took to power wash the mailbox, the retaining wall, and the entire house, it was pretty pricey and just about the same amount. So for now, I'm gonna have to wait on that, save some coins, or find a way to get up on top of my roof and do it myself. I doubt if I'll be doing that one. However, these are the final results of the power wash.